Welcome back. Now news from sports. Asia's top-tier football competition, the Asian Cup, kicks off on Friday in Qatar. India have qualified for this showpiece tournament after 27 years. The team has been preparing for this huge challenge for the last few months and they are now raring to go.
The prestigious championship kicks off on Friday, with Bob Houghton's men starting off their campaign against Australia on January 10th in their opener. There has been some good news for the Indian team lately as the team is now booming with confidence, with key players recovering from their respective jobs. Dempo Sports Club defender Anwar Ali is quoted as saying on AIFF.com, and I quote, "We have had good preparations for the AFC Cup, especially the experience in Portugal and Dubai was very helpful. I have worked on my fitness earlier too and had small injuries, but I am now fully fit and ready for the Asian Cup. Australia is a very good team and one of the best in Asia. We haven't had good results in some friendly matches, but it was also due to non-availability of key players. But now the team is in full flow and lately we have played well in some practice matches. We know things will be different in Doha and we will be facing some of the best teams in Asia. We will give our best in every match and everyone is confident of a good show in the tournament." All the football crazy goons will surely be looking for a brave performance from the Indian team when they battle the best footballing nations from Asia. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The Goa Referees Association and Goa Football Association have had a bittersweet relation in the past. 2 weeks back, the GRA called an emergency meeting to bring to fore the problems of past and present referees in Goa. To this, GFA President Srinivas Dempo said that GFA will take heed of the Goa Referees Association's grievances and sort things out. Besides, efforts will be made by GFA to bridge the gap between GFA and the Referees Association.
It is ironic that the very men who officiate the game and the state organization that handles all affairs of the game of football in the state are at a distance. So what exactly happened in the emergency meeting held by Goa Referees Association?
One thing was very clear that, somehow GFA and Referees Association are at quite a distance. And I think all stakeholders, at least according to me, should be together. But their demands are very specific. They say one is we need affiliation. And I don't know whether such an affiliation is possible. So we need to discuss this at the executive committee level. But I told them whether affiliation or not, we can always work together. If an affiliation is possible under the constitution and if we can do it as per executive committee's decision, we can look into it. Okay. But if it's not possible also, we can always discuss projects together, issues together, so that we are projected as one. I think referee is a very important component and stakeholder of the whole game. And I think it's time that we come together and, we start discussing issues jointly. They had other specific issues like, increasing their allowances, travel days. So which, they have submitted a memorandum to me, which has to be put to the executive committee and appropriate decisions have to be taken.
The GFA chief maintained that all demands submitted in the memorandum by the Referees Association might not be granted and only what is possible under the constitution can be granted. But whatever GFA can do to their best will be done.
See, the decision lies with the executive committee. Okay. But sure, we are going to discuss all the issues that they have raised. And if the executive committee feels appropriate, then we may perhaps agree to a few or whatever.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Sai Prasad Naik clinched a bronze medal at the recently held 56th National School Games Judo Championship in Delhi. He is being coached by Deepak Netardekar.
This is Sai Prasad's first medal at the national level. He had been close in past 3 occasions, but this time the 18-year-old has managed to win a medal. He is thankful to his coach Deepak Netardekar.
This was my first 11th nationals, which I participated in for Goa, and I feel very good for winning this medal, first medal. I thank my coach Deepak Netardekar and my parents too. I played 5 bouts in the nationals. First I played with MP. I won that bout. Then in the bronze medal bout, Haryana was there with me. So I beat Haryana and I got this medal. Next time I'll try for the gold medal. I'll be trying for the gold medal. For last 10 nationals, I missed 3 times for the bronze. And this time I got it.
It was a wonderful show by Sai Prasad. In fact, he defeated seeded players like Harmeet Singh from Haryana. Overall, I mean, just that he missed with a whisker, otherwise he would have come with a gold medal. And this is the only medal we got in judo for this 56 school national games.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
With this, we come to an end of this newscast. Goodbye, take care, and keep watching Prudent Media.